Hello everybody, welcome to Ageless Rock. Today I'm going to bring you to a mind-bending bent pyramid of Sneferu. This pyramid is located in Badrashin city of Giza Governorate. The enigmatic bent pyramid is located in necropolis of Dashur. This is the first pyramid in Dashur and third in entire Egypt. These second and third pyramids are believed to be built by Pharaoh Sneferu. This achievement is very suspicious to me. These two colossal failures are not logical. According to mainstream archaeology, it became too heavy when it was built halfway. If that is the case, why continue to the end and even complete with casing stone? If bending the pyramid solved the problem, then why complete with casing stone and never use it? These casing stones were built to cover the entire pyramid. That means there is nothing wrong when it was completed. The internal collapse could be 1,000 years later. So why wasn't it used as a tomb? If it cracked and collapsed at 54 degrees, it would have been abandoned. Why bother continue to the top and finish with casing stone at 43 degrees but never use it? Even if it cracked, there is no cavity to collapse into. This structure is as solid as one piece of rock. This behemoth structure was built on bedrock with tunnels and chambers at subterranean level. I think it is ridiculous to say after hacking the bedrock tunnel, they still don't know how big is the base and cannot tell the weight might be too heavy. This theory has to assume the ancient engineers are not that smart, but hacking the bedrock is easy. So they decided to hew into the bedrock and hope for the best. At the height of 105 meters with a base of 190 meters square, this enormous pyramid has a volume of 1.4 million cubic meters. It is impossible to say they made a mistake but completed it anyway, so they decided to just leave it. If this pyramid was completed in 24 years, and assuming they worked 12 hours a day, the ancient Egyptians had to stack 163 cubic meters of limestone every day. That is a massive 13.5 cubic meters every hour. If every block is 1 cubic meter in size and placed side by side, there will be enough material to line them up to 1,426 kilometers long. Imagine driving from Vancouver to Sacramento and see limestone blocks all the way. The man on a camel tells you that this pyramid is not a small prototype project. It is hard to believe that after completing this pyramid, they decided to abandon it because of a crack they couldn't fix. After all, the chamber was in good condition. The bent pyramid has the best preserved casing stones. Spend some time looking at the casing stones and you will see that it has evidence of advanced technology. Look at the casing stones here. It is full of machine-cut trapezoid and polygonal cuttings. No modern chisel can manually carve like this, let alone ancient tools. A smaller satellite pyramid next to bent pyramid has a casing stone at the bottom with a rectangular block tucked inside. Strange to see a small brick required for such a big pyramid compared to the brick size. Even more strange, this unknown technique is also found around the world. The casing stones are obviously machine cut with precision emphasized horizontally, like as if they need to know how many layers are stacked. There are 2 tunnels and 2 chambers connected through a passage. No mummy, no daddy, no dead body, no hieroglyph, no sarcophagus. Why call this a tomb? With the doors for comparison, you can tell this casing stone is a smooth megaton megablock. How do you lift it halfway and place it confidently without chipping the edges? Putting this block here is an amazing engineering feat. Look at this block with gear track marks. This is not an ancient copper tool mark. It is long instead of round, unlike modern chisels used for splitting rock. These mysterious gear track marks tell a very different story about the tools used to split the rock. They are broad and trapezoidal in shape. I wonder what type of hammer did they use to hammer this into the rock. Modern method uses power drills to make a hole first. Then hard metal wedges are hammered in to squeeze through until it cracks. The mark of modern drill holes for splitting rock is clearly different. The ancient tools are flat and long like an axe. The modern tools are V-shaped or drill holes. These two marks are clearly different tools and therefore different technology. If I am the engineer for second pyramid of Egypt, I would have been fired for such a mistake. If I made another mistake for third pyramid of Egypt, there will be a mob to crucify me. Who is this master of engineering mistake that got Sneferu working on two colossal pyramids and still ended up with no tombs? We actually have a massive bent pyramid, bent for unknown reason, tool marks we are not familiar with, a pharaoh with two colossal pyramids but no one knows where is he buried, chambers with no mummy and sarcophagus, casing stones so big we are still wondering how it got there. This pyramid is not what it seems to be. Well, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy my presentation on Bent Pyramid of Sneferu in Badrashin city. See you next time. Assalamu.